Welcome to ProcessLab Studios. Today we're going behind the scenes to reveal exactly how Lay's chips are made, step by step, inside this factory. Every packet of Lay's follows strict global food safety standards. We use advanced technology to maintain quality and hygiene.
Thousands of kilograms of toast are processed inside this facility every single day. Before production begins, every process is digitally mapped and monitored in real time. These potatoes are chosen based on size, starch content and moisture level. This washing stage removes soil, dust and surface impurities. The filtrations. This stage is designed to identify and remove potatoes that do not meet strict quality standards. Peeling must be precise to avoid waste. As you can see, the skins are recycled for animal feed.
Slice thickness is critical. Even a small variation affects frying time and crunch.
Rinsing removes excess surface starch released during slicing. This step is critical to prevent chips from sticking together during frying. Controlling surface moisture is essential before frying. Here in the frying area, raw potato slices are transformed. Each fryer is equipped with advanced sensors, controlling the temperature to within a single degree. We ensure excess oil is removed immediately to maintain crispiness. Seasoning is carefully calibrated. Specialized sensors measure the amount of powder, airflow, and rotation speed.
To ensure consistent taste across millions of packets, every blend undergoes rigorous formulation. Each seasoning type is tested repeatedly to match the factory's exact flavor profile. Color, aroma, and taste are constantly monitored. Behind every bag of Lay's chips lies a combination of scientific precision, human oversight, and rigorous quality assurance. Flavor consistency is achieved through a combination of human oversight and automated monitoring. Each batch undergoes sensory evaluation and chemical analysis to ensure exact profiles.
Automated seasoning prevents human error, ensures uniform flavor, and maintains efficiency for large-scale production.
These tests inform full-scale production settings, ensuring uniformity across millions of chips. This multi-layered quality assurance process guarantees that every batch meets our flavor standards.
Every bag is sterilized and inspected for integrity. Sensors quickly detect any misalignment. Sealing is critical for freshness and shelf life. Weight consistency ensures customers receive the promised quantity, and labeling accuracy guarantees correct flavor information. This stage integrates speed with accuracy, ensuring that boxes are uniform in weight and orientation. Traceability is critical for safety, regulatory compliance, and customer trust. Every batch can be tracked. Simulated shipment tests help ensure that our chips maintain freshness during transit. Cross-docking reduces storage time and speeds up delivery to retail locations. Real-time tracking systems update inventory and route information instantly.
This stage is essential for both safety and efficiency. The height, weight, and stability of each pallet are monitored by sensors to prevent toppling. Warehouse management is a vital link in the supply chain, ensuring that every packet of Lay's reaches stores exactly as intended, maintaining quality and freshness. This is the final stage before the product leaves the factory. We check each pallet against shipping manifests. Logistics integration ensures that products are traceable at every stage, from factory to store. Real-time GPS tracking allows us to monitor delivery status. Our sophisticated logistics system coordinates timing and safety across the entire dock. To preserve freshness during long journeys, international shipments require strict environmental controls. Global shipment requires verification for safety, security, and compliance with import regulations. Digital logs confirm batch numbers and weights. This stage marks the final connection between factory and consumer. Every bag has been tracked from sourcing to store. The final consumer experience is shaped not only by product quality, but also by thoughtful presentation. This bag represents a sophisticated global supply chain where technology and human oversight ensure consistency and quality at every step. The journey of each potato, from the farm to the shelf, is a complex process demanding meticulous attention to detail. Final retail placement is carefully coordinated for brand visibility and product rotation. This end-to-end journey requires seamless coordination. Interactive consumer education strengthens trust, reinforces quality perception, and enhances the overall shopping experience. As you can see, hands-on engagement is key. From spinning the wheel for samples to scanning for recipes, we connect our process directly to the consumer.
The journey of every potato, from careful selection to perfectly packaged Lay's chips, is a story of dedication, technology, and passion.